Our Do It workshop follows on from Feel It. So if you've attended our Feel It workshop in the past, whether that's the full day or the half day training, our Do It workshop can again be booked in-house for team and staff training, whether that's for parents, whether that's for professionals, whether that's for carers and support givers. Our Do It workshop is hands-on, it's practical, it's fun. We learn strategies specifically to support the children and adults you support. So you will come to the day with young people and children in mind that you would like to help to support their sensory needs better, helping them to regulate. Throughout the course, we will then explore and discover strategies to then create specific plans and lifestyles to support these people. By the end of the training, you will have been able to create and implement these strategies to all of the people that you support, whether they are someone very new to your setting or whether they have been there for years and you found it very difficult to support their sensory needs. I'll also be showing you how you can use a sensory checklist, how you can personalise this, but also a unique way that you can understand someone's sensory needs and create a plan bespoke for them.